Welcome to IABM TV, and I'm now joined by Abhijit Dey, who's the GM and Chief Operating Officer for Perifery. Welcome, Abhi.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So Perifery now encompasses Object Matrix. What is next for the company?
Great question. Object Matrix is a company in the media industry providing infrastructure services and storage for the media industry for a long time out of Wells, Cardiff Wells. And we acquired the company from Perifery around January of 2023. And the last 6 to 8 months have been really trying to integrate these two companies together, two great companies with two great sort of solutions for the M&E industry. How do you come together? And so it has been a fantastic integration between these two companies, with the solutions coming together from the product side, the GTM, the go-to-market motions aligning, the partnerships aligning. So, we are looking forward to the rest of this year and 2024 for a great success together.
Great, excellent. And so what challenges do you see for the media industry right now?
Well, the media industry, I think, first of all, post-COVID, it's much better now. People actually have the money to spend, and they are looking at producing a lot of content out there, But the question is, where do you keep all this data? Data is not lessening, it's growing at tremendous rate right now. And so where do you keep all this data or the content in the media industry? And so one of the things in the cloud, first customers were moving to the cloud, to the public clouds, and then in the media industry kind of realized that there's a lot of latency or a slowness in getting the data back, and also there's a lot of costs involved with the cloud egress costs. And so some of these customers are facing those challenges. They're kind of coming back to the on-premise or the edge industry today, where the in-facility, the post-production houses are there. And then you have these customers who are still going to the cloud at the same time. They're going to go through the journey. So those are some of the challenges, but it's really centered around how fast can you move the data, how, the total cost of ownership of the whole movie production or sports video group. That's where I think that the most challenges are. It's about management of the data, making decisions out of them, and really be able to control and secure your data life cycle.
So do you see us moving forward with a hybrid approach, do you think?
Yeah, I think there will always be some workloads that remains in the cloud, like AI and ML, and there's some workloads which needs to be processed at the edge or at the core where the data is. And so it will be distributed workloads, but some of them, this will be pretty much a hybrid ecosystem for the larger media customers.
Excellent. So what are you showcasing at IBC?
Oh, we have a lot of things to showcase about. We are proud to showcase, of course, the integration of the two companies. We now have this product called Vision, and this Vision is to run on Object Matrix. Now Vision will run on all of Perifery solutions as the universal platform for M&E, for media data. So to ingest the data, doing metadata capturing, and ultimately storing the media data, that's one. Next up, we are also talking about a newly introduced product for the edge industry called Perifery Verge. It's a purposeful built hardware device meant for the M&E industry, for the edge, and few other verticals as well as healthcare, where you can actually process the data at the edge using and really use decision making through artificial intelligence, AI and ML. It's all built into this one box that is, can be used in the remote edge locations.
And so what is the advantage to the user for processing at the edge as opposed to centralized?
Yeah, that's a great question. So our bet is the whole world right now is trying to really beat this concept of data gravity, and data gravity is all about where the data is. And so edge produces a lot of data. So our intent for this product, the solutions, is to really take the decisions near the data, where the data is produced. So that's why we are trying to move AI into the edge so that we can actually take the decisions near to the data. And that's kind of the point here.
That's interesting. Okay. Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So if you want to know any more about Perifery's solutions, then please take a few moments to speak to Abhi.